Hello, welcome to the video solution of set 8 of CAT 2018 reasoning section slot 1. So the question was 1600 satellites were sent up by country for special purposes. The purposes are classified broadcasting, communication, surveillance and others. A satellite can serve multiple purposes. However, a satellite serving either B or C or S does not serve O. Fine. The following facts are known about the satellites. The number of satellites serving B, C, and S, though maybe not exclusively, are in the ratio 2 ratio 1 ratio 1. The number of satellites serving all the three B, C, and S is 100. The number of satellites exclusively serving C is same as the number of satellites exclusively serving S. This number is 30% of the number of satellites exclusively serving B. And last information is the number of satellites serving O is same as the number of satellites serving both C and S but not B. Now the best way to solve this question will be by using set. Okay, so see, we need to classify the satellites as either broadcasting, communication, surveillance or other. So let us denote these two blocks as O for others. Fine. So these two blocks basically represent other. These two blocks represent other websites. Now these two blocks represents, let us assume this represents surveillance website, satellite, sorry. Now these two blocks represents broadcasting and these two blocks represent, which is left, communication. Fine. So these four types of satellite were there. Now एक बार इस Venn diagram को समझ लेते हैं ये किस तरह से है. Now this one. Now this is a satellite which comes under the category O and B. तो ये वो satellite है which serves two purposes, that is other and broadcasting. Now this is the satellite which comes in O and B and C. Now this is the combination of B and C. So this serves broadcasting plus others plus communication purposes. Now this satellite covers other plus communication purposes only. And this one serves other purposes only. इस ब्लॉक का किसी के साथ भी इंटरसेक्शन नहीं है, so this serves other purposes only. So I hope आपको ये क्लियर होगा किस तरह से है. Fine. So now let us move to the data which is given to us. एक बार वो देख लेते हैं. So these two are representing S and these two blocks are representing O. Fine. Now first, in total there were 1600 satellites. So total number of satellites is 1600. However, a satellite serving either B or C or S does not serve O. So basically we can say that the intersection of O with any of these three must be 0. जो भी satellite इन तीनों में से किसी भी purpose के लिए use हो रही है, we cannot use that satellite for O. So this must be 0. This, all these must be 0. Fine. Now this is the satellite which are serving other purposes only. इसका किसी के साथ भी intersection नहीं है. So let this be Y. ठीक है, इनका किसी के साथ कोई इंटरसेक्शन नहीं है. Fine. Now first, the number of satellites serving B, C, and S are in the ratio 2 ratio 1 ratio 1, though may not exclusively. So B का जो total number of website है, that is let us say 2A. C का must be A then and S का must be A then. The ratio is 2 ratio 1 ratio 1. Fine. तो ये भी हम यहाँ नोट कर लेते हैं कि the ratio of B to C to S is equal to 2 ratio 1 ratio 1. Further, second information, the number of satellites serving all the three B, C and S is 100. B, C and S. So this column represents all the three. ये column B में भी आ रहा है, C में भी आ रहा है और S में भी आ रहा है. The value of this column is 100. This block is 100. Fine. Third information, the number of satellites exclusively serving C. Exclusively serving C means those are serving only C. मतलब हम इस block की बात कर रहे हैं. Only C, इस ब्लॉक में C का किसी से भी कोई इंटरसेक्शन नहीं है. Is same as the number of satellite exclusively serving S. तो ये वाला वो ब्लॉक है exclusively serving X वाला. ठीक है. And further, sorry, exclusively serving S, इसमें इंटरसेक्शन है. This is the block exclusively serving S. है ना. उसके बाद this number is 30% of the satellites exclusively serving B. B को exclusively serve कौन सा कर रहा है? ये वाला. तो ये जो दोनों नंबर हैं, these are same and these are 30% of this value. So let this value be 10x. 10x क्यों? उसका 30% easy रहेगा to calculate. 30% of 10x will be 3x. तो यहाँ पर 3x होगा और यहाँ पर भी it will be 3x. Fine. Further, the information is the number of satellites serving O. No, I think this number we have used third information. The number of satellites serving O is same as the number of satellites serving both C and S, but not B. So the number of satellites serving O, this Y, is same as the number of satellites serving both C and S. Both C and S. So I think this column, this value, this block represents both C and S. So these two values are same. तो ये भी Y होगा. Fine. और ये वैल्यू बी में नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो हाँ, ये वाला वैल्यू जो है, ये वाला ब्लॉक जो है वो बी वाले में नहीं आ रहा है, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में नहीं आ रहा. तो ये वो इंफॉर्मेशन थी that was given to us, and one information was that the total number of satellites is 1600. Fine. So let us assume this value to be let's say this is A and this is B. Now जो हमको इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है, एक बार उसको यूज करते हैं कि क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन हमें गिवन थी. Okay, so first information was this: the ratio of B to C to S satellite is 2:1:1. Now B satellites, B में कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं? अब हमें पूरा B काउंट करना है. So that would be 10x plus B plus A plus 100. Ratio C, C में क्या क्या आ रहा है? C में आ रहा है it is A plus 3x plus 100 plus y, and S में आ रहा है, S में B plus 3x plus 100 plus y. Now see, the ratio of C and S is 1:1. So that means these two values are equal. So we can say that A plus 3x plus 100 plus y equals B plus 3x plus 100 plus y. और यहाँ से आप देखेंगे कि 3x plus y plus 100 और 3x plus y plus 100 gets cancelled out. So we get A equal to B. तो अब हमें ये information मिल गई है कि A और B are same. So let us do one thing. Let us replace this B by A only. Fine. So I am replacing this B by A only. Fine. And I am removing this part as well. We have calculated it that the value of A and B are equal. So मैं अब इसको remove कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Now further. अभी still बहुत सारी information is pending, है ना? So एक और information थी कि the total of all the satellite must be equal to 1600. So the total of this plus this plus this, है ना? The all the satellite मतलब इन सब का total must be 1600. तो calculate करते हैं. The total will be 10x plus A plus 3x plus A plus 100 plus y plus 3x plus y, and this total must be equal to 1600. Fine. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि this is 10x and 3x and 3x is 16x, A and A is 2A, and y plus y is 2y. 100 उधर जाता है तो that will be equal to 1500. फर्दर इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 8x plus A plus y is equal to 750. Equation first. Fine. Now एक और काम करते हैं. Let us calculate. Let us use these two values. The ratio is 2:1 ना, तो एक बार इसको यूज करते हैं. तो B ratio C, that is 10x. Now B plus A. Now B is also equal to A only ना, so we can write this to be equal to 2A. 10x plus 2A plus 100 over A plus 3x plus 100 plus y, and this equals how much? 2:1. ठीक है, एक बार इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं. तो जब इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो we will get 10x plus 2A plus 100 is equal to 2A plus 6x plus 200 plus 2y. Fine. This 2A and this 2A gets cancelled out. यहाँ पे हमारे पास बचा 4x. 10x minus 6x is 4x is equal to 2y plus 100. Further, यहाँ से we can say that 2x is equal to y plus 50, dividing the equation by 2. So this is our second equation. Fine. Now हम क्या करते हैं, since we are not having much space over here, तो जो फाइनल आउटपुट है उन्हें नोट कर लेते हैं. बाकी सारी जो हमने सॉल्व किया है उस पार्ट को मैं रिमूव कर देता हूँ एक बार. Fine. तो ये हमने सॉल्व किया था पूरा। Okay, so we have now two equations with us. Now, abhi tak two equations and we have multiple variables, in fact more than two variables, so we cannot solve these equations. So let us do one thing, let us move to the question. So the first question is, what best can be said about the number of satellites serving C? Number of satellites serving C. Fine. Now, before that, let us do one thing. हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर, we can substitute the value of y. Or what we can do is, we can substitute the value of y plus 50. Because the value of y plus 50 is given to us as 2x now. So adding 50 both the sides. So this will become y plus 50. In the place of y plus 50, we can substitute 2x. So this will become 2x plus 8x, 10x plus a is equal to 800. ठीक है, ये इक्वेशन हमारे पास आ चुकी. Now first question is, what best can be said about the number of satellites serving C? Okay, so serving C. So in C we have the number of satellites to be a plus 3x plus 100 plus y. ये था C में total number of satellites. Fine. Now देखिए, यहाँ से y is what? From equation 2 we can say that y is 2x minus 50. Now the value of y cannot be negative. So we can say from this equation that the minimum value of x must be 25. Y हो सकता है 0 को, fine, but then y cannot be negative. Number of satellites negative में नहीं हो सकती है. So from this equation we can say that the minimum value of x is 25. But the issue is that the total number of satellites जो आ रहा है वो a, x और y तीनों के टर्म्स में है. So let us do one thing. इस इक्वेशन को हम x के टर्म्स में ही थोड़ा चेंज कर लेते हैं. So the value of a from here comes out to be 800 minus 10x. So this is 800 minus 10x. 3x को 3x के टर्म्स में रहने देते हैं, plus 100 remains the same, and y is equal to how much? 2x minus 50. Now see, 800 plus 100 is 900, minus 50 is 850. And how many x do we have? Minus 10 and plus 5. So this is minus 5x. Fine. Now see, the minimum value of x is, the minimum value of x was 25. So substituting the minimum value of x will give us the maximum value of satellites in C. क्योंकि हम 850 में से subtract कर रहे हैं, so x minimum is 25. X minimum पर we will get t maximum. So substituting the value of x as 25, we will get 850 minus 5 into 25, which is 125. So the answer will be 725. So 725 is the maximum number of satellites of C type. Only one option is there, है ना? But still there is confusion between C and D option. So let us now check out for the minimum value as well. E minimum value क्या हो सकती है? Now from this equation, 10x plus a equal to 800. Fine. The maximum value of x can be, I think, 80. उस केस में a 0 हो जाएगा. A cannot be negative. So x maximum is 80. And when x maximum is 80, so substituting the value of x maximum will give us the value of t minimum. Minimum satellite का number आ जाएगा, तो 850 minus 5 into 80, ये हमको देगा minimum number of satellites serving C. So this is 850 minus 400. So 450 is the answer. So the correct answer is option D. It must be between 450 and 725. Fine. Okay. So let us move to question number 2. What is the minimum possible number of satellites serving B exclusively? Serving B exclusively. So this is the number 10x. 10x is the number of satellites that are serving exclusively B. ठीक है, ये वाला नंबर है, आप देखते हैं. ठीक है, तो the answer is 10x. And we are asked about the minimum possible value. And in the previous question, हमने देखा था कि the value of x minimum was 25, and the maximum value of x was how much? 80. Now we are asked about the minimum possible value of 10x. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? x को minimum value ले लेंगे. So that will be 10 into 25 is 250. So the correct answer to this question is option C, 250. Fine. So let's move to third question of this set. Third question is, okay, so the third question is, if at least 100 of the 1600 satellites were serving O, so the value of y is basically given to be 100. And this is the minimum value of y. This is the at least value of y. Fine. What can be said about the number of satellites serving S? Now see, if y is 100, so 2x is what? Y minimum is 100. So y plus 50 is equal to 2x. So y minimum is 100. So x minimum in that case would be 150 by 2 is 75. So the minimum value in this case now is 75. Fine. अब हमसे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है? What can be said about the number of satellites serving S? अब आप देखेंगे S में कौन कौन सा आ रहा है? The total number of satellites serving S is this. A, since B is equal to A plus 3x plus 100 plus y. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इनको एक ही वेरिएबल में चेंज कर लेते हैं. So we can replace A by 800 minus 10x. This is 800 minus 10x plus 3x plus 100, and y is what? 2x minus 50. इसको सॉल्व करने पे हम देखेंगे. So this is coming out to be how much? This is 800 plus 100. 900 minus 50 is 850. ठीक है. और x के टर्म्स में कितना आ रहा है ये? This is coming out to be how much? 7x. And plus 2x is minus 5x. Okay. Okay, so we have got this equation. So we can do one more thing. Instead of replacing the value of y with 2x minus 50, we can simply replace the value of y as 100. ठीक है, y की minimum value is 100 ना, so we can simply replace the value of y as 100. Let me do the correction. यहाँ पर हम y की जगह simply y की minimum value substitute कर रहे हैं. तो ठीक है, अब जब y की minimum value substitute कर रहे हैं, so जो आंसर हमारा आ रहा है वो भी minimum आ रहा है. Fine. So the total becomes 800 plus 200 is 1000 and minus 7x. Now we need to check about this figure. तो x की minimum value कितनी है? x की minimum value is 75. हमने अभी भी calculate किया था. Now x minimum is 75. So let us substitute the value of x is 75. जब हम x की minimum value डाल रहे हैं, तो ये जो total number of satellites आ रहा है s वाला, ये maximum आ रहा है. क्यों? हम 1000 में से 7x को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो जब x की मिनिमम वैल्यू डाल रहे हैं तो 1000 में से मिनिमम सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, तो ये मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आ रही है. तो 1000 में से यदि हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 475. सो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स ऑफ टाइप S. क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा गया था, व्हाट कैन बी सेड अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स सर्विंग S? These can be at most 475, at most. So the correct answer to this question is option D, at most 475. So moving to last question of this set. The question is, if the number of satellites serving at least two among B, C and S is 1200, if the number of satellites serving at least 2, है ना. अब देखेंगे at least 2 कौन कौन सी हैं. हम उन वाले फिगर्स को देखते हैं. तो ये वाली वो है जो at least 2 को सर्व कर रही है, ये भी वो है जो एटलीस्ट 2 को सर्व कर रही है, ये भी वो है जो एटलीस्ट 2 को सर्व कर रही है, और ये 3 को सर्व कर रही है. तो एटलीस्ट 2 वाली कैटेगरी में ये भी आएंगी. So the total number of satellites serving at least 2 is A plus Y plus 100, है ना. And this is given to be 1200. Which of the following must be false? तो देखिए यहाँ से हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो 2A plus Y is equal to 1100 आ जाएगा. फाइन. नाउ यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल है, तो वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. हम क्या करेंगे, इनको एक वेरिएबल में चेंज कर लेंगे. द वैल्यू ऑफ 2A फ्रॉम हियर विल बी हाउ मच? 1600 minus 20x. हम यहाँ पर 2A की जगह सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं 1600 minus 20x. y is 2x minus 50 and this is equal to 1100. फाइन. इसको सॉल्व करते हैं हम लोग. तो दिस इज हाउ मच? 1600 minus 1100 is 500 minus 50 is 450 and this comes out to be equal to 18x. यदि 18 से इसे कट करें तो we'll get out the value of x to be 25. Now when x is 25, so this value 2x minus 50, so 2 into 25, 50 minus 50 will be 0. So the value of y will be 0 in this particular case. Fine. Y की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 0. Now let's come to the question. अच्छा, a की वैल्यू also we can determine. A is 800 minus 10x, x is 25, so a is 800 minus 250, which is 550. So value of a भी हमको पता चल चुकी है, value of y भी हमें पता चल चुकी है. Now the question is, all 1600 satellites serve B और C और S. देखिए हमको बताना है false कौन सा है. ये बोल रहे हैं कि सारी 1600 satellites serve B और C और S, मतलब O को कोई भी सर्व नहीं करता, which is correct क्योंकि y की वैल्यू 0, तो O को कोई भी सर्व नहीं कर रहा है, तो this is correct. ये हमारा आंसर नहीं हो सकता, हमें false पता करना है. Second, the number of satellites serving C cannot be uniquely determined. C, the number of satellites serving C. अब C में कौन कौन आ रहा है? A plus CX plus 100 plus Y. ठीक है. अब since we know the value of A, we know the value of X, we know the value of Y, so this total value can be uniquely determined. ये हम uniquely इसका आंसर determine कर सकते हैं, जबकि statement B में बोला गया है कि we cannot determine this value. So this is wrong. This is false statement for which we are looking for. यही हमारा आंसर है. Fine. बाकी के दो भी हम एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. The number of satellites serving B exclusively is exactly 250. B exclusively is 10x. 10x when x is 25, so 10x become 250. तो ये correct है. 250 इन्होंने दे रखा है. And the number of satellites serving B is more than 1000. जब हम इनका टोटल करेंगे, B में कौन कौन आ रहा है? 10x plus 2a plus 100. Now the value of a is 550, so those 2a become 1100. So this value is definitely greater than 1000. तो ये भी सही है. So the correct answer is option B. ये वाला statement is wrong. तो I hope ये सेट आपको क्लियर होगा. जब भी 4 का जब सेट बनाना पड़ता है, सी जब भी हम वेन डायग्राम 3 का बनाते हैं तो हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? यूज सर्किल. बट जब भी हमें 4 का वेन डायग्राम बनाना आता है तो इट इज मोर कन्वीनियंट टू यूज दिस मेथड इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस सर्किल वाला मेथड. फाइन. आई होप ये सेट आपको क्लियर होगा. थैंक यू सो मच.